usually do stuff like this, and this isn't something that I'm fully comfortable doing, but I just wanted to take a second and just talk about what you're about to watch. It's not a very long video, and it's not going to be super extravagant, and it's like not a crazy show car or anything, but it's a vehicle that has been my emotional rock for the past couple of months. Some of you may or may not know. Those who are close to me know that I lost my mother this year, and I lost one of my childhood friends that I've known for 20 plus years, and it's been hard. I'm not usually one that struggles with depression or anything like that, but this year I found myself in some really dark places, and there were some things that I'm not going to talk about here, but without having an escape or something that you can pour yourself into to escape, you know, all of this that we live, I don't know where I would be or how mentally healthy I would be. There's a long list of names of people that have made this possible over the course of the last eight months. Not an insane amount of hours, like anywhere from 150 to 190. I've been kind of keeping track, but have made this possible. But I'm going to show you guys my car, and I know for myself, and I'm hoping for anybody else, any one of the enthusiasts that likes my channel, watches my content, knows what these vehicles are and what they mean to us. It's not from A to B, it's everywhere in between A to B that matters, and there aren't words to put into context what this build means to me and where it's gone. Thank you, all of you.